What's up, guys? It's April 18th, 2024. It was a good day in terms of like legs, but pretty small range. Well, I mean, I think there's a 40 point sell, 30 points right here, so it's not the worst. Definitely could make money today. Okay. Bulls have a gap up, but gap up to here. Market sells. Bar one's a sell bar, bad for the Bulls. Bar two looks like a second leg down. Trend line break. Trying to test yesterday's low. However, bar three is bad follow through. Market starts to reverse into the EMA, and market consolidates, gets the bull flag, and it breaks out above the EMA, and they get a few legs higher. Bar eight's a strong breakout bar, but it's not breaking out above bar one's high, the high of the day at this point. So there's a little skeptical buying this high. You could try and buy a little bit lower and scalp out, or you could wait for the breakout around bar 13. Bars 11 and 10 create a somewhat of a bull flag. It's a push down, push up, push down, push up, pull back with bar 11, and bar 12 is starting to break out. Bar 13 is a good breakout bar, closing on its high. Bar 14 it rallies and then sells off, creating a push up, and then bar 15 is another trend bar, but it doesn't break bar 14's high. Bar 16 is a range bar with a bull body close. This is a form of a pullback. It's two-sided trading. Bar 17 is an inside bar, so now we have somewhat of a triangle, and bar 18 gets the bullish breakout. However, it sells off and it closes below the 50%. So this had energy, but it was a range bar, so that's not good. It tagged the higher time frame EMA and it sold. Bar 19 creates another pullback, doesn't break a trend line, but opposite bar pullback that gives context for the third leg into the EMA. Bar 20 and 21 starts to create another leg. Bar 22 rallies, sells off. Bar 23 goes for another rally, fails. That yesterday's bar 64 is high. This bar 63, 64 is high. Lined up with a higher time from EMA. Bar 24 looks like a good reversal bar for the bears, trading at range highs, somewhat of a bear flag double top. That's the bear flag double top. See, bear flag, double top, triple top. Here's the first swing. So look, so we broke out. We broke out, first pullback, and we went into a channel, and now we're going on range bound. Last leg in a range is the first leg the last leg in a trend is the first leg in a channel. And oh my gosh, the last leg in a trend is the first leg in a range. So this was the first leg down for the bears in the range. So pretty cool stuff when it's starting to come together with other time frames or other days. Bar 24 is a good reversal and sell off into the EMA. Bulls are trying to get another rally, but they fail. Bar 31 looks like a reversal down. They rally and it reverses. Bar 32, breakout below the EMA. We start to pull back. Bar 34, pull back 35, two-legged pull back into the EMA. Sells off sharply with bar 37. Bar 38, bulls trying to get the reversal. They test bar 37's high and they fail, leaving a small bearish gap. Well, this is all bearish gap, but there's a bear gap right here now, created by this body and this body. 1 second, guys. So yeah, I haven't been feeling too good the last couple of days, so I was doing bar analysis, but my throat's a little bit better today. So drinking like coffee. I drink coffee every day. That's not the reason my throat's better. I've just been chilling. So yeah, breakout, pullback, bar 39. So this is breakout, first reversal. We go into a bearish channel. Bar 39 is a sell. This is bar 39. Bar 40 is another breakout, but weak closing below the 50%, so that's good. Bar 41 and 42 follow through. Bar 43 body starts to get small. Bar 44 is a pullback, and then the breakout for another bearish breakout with bar 45, 46, and 47. We sell off into yesterday's low, and it reverses 48 being a strong bar, and that marks the first leg in a range. The market goes sideways. Very hard to trade this. You got it. It's a limit order market. Bar 48 pushed up leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. Wedge breakout into the EMA, which is acting as resistance. Sells off leg 1, pullback, leg 1, pullback leg 2, leg 1, pullback leg 2 for the bulls. It's just everything's leg 1, leg 2, pullback in a range. So TTR, not good to trade. The money was made here and here. Last 2 hours of the day would be rough. I kind of got the hiccups of holding it in. So leg one, leg two moves. Yep, it's been more breakout kind of style trades lately for me. So here's a breakout, and that was wow, that was actually met pretty nicely. I didn't trade today, by the way. So here's the leg one, leg two move. That's met and it channeled up. Leg one, pull back, leg two, and then we start to get climactic pushes up here. There's a wedge top. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, and then we get a breakout here. Bar 39 is a breakout, and this goes for a few legs lower here. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Bar 44 was a pullback. That was a bad example right there. We went to a tight training range. Al says we should be avoiding these at all costs. Daily time frame not looking good for the Bears. I mean, not looking good for the Bulls. We have been in the bull rally for months, so if you really think about it, it's not the worst thing because if they want to go higher, they're gonna have to create some form of a bull flag or maybe a wedge bottom. Don't really know what pattern will form, but if the Bulls want to go higher, some traders have to get trapped, and traders will get trapped. I'm trying to get this pen tool. Traders, I can't, I'm trying to get this pen tool, so I keep clicking these dots, and then I'm on the wrong one. Okay, here we go. So because trends will happen through traps, so wedges mean three failed breakouts, so that will create a trap or a double bottom high or low. That could be a trap, or maybe they get a double top and we start to sell off hard. Because then that'll give a trap. Because these traders are trapped right here, or maybe they got out at break. These traders got out here. The traders bought here, trapped, or they bought here, and they got out 50%, and that creates the sell. We're testing the breakout points, bull flags. That's the bear targets, and bulls are gonna want to start testing these highs now, because this was a bear flag, right? So that's a failed reversal for the bulls. So same idea we use here for the bears, we use here for the bulls. 45-minute chart. I haven't really been showing it too much attention lately. I really haven't. The only time I look at these two charts is when I'm doing this. I've just started trading with just the 5-minute chart open. I don't even look at the 15-minute anymore. But maybe one day I will. Breakout on the 16th. It goes sideways. We have breakout, stairs pattern, and it's shrinking. So the bear trend is getting a little bit weaker. We'll see what happens. We are still. This is kind of like the first pull break of a trend line. And technically, this is a good fade, but it's getting stronger. We're breaking past several bull bars. So let's say breakout, channel. We can go range, breakout, and now it's resetting from a fractal market perspective and the overall market perspective. So there's like a mini market cycle. What did I say? Market perspective? I'm going crazy. Let me retry this one more time. Let me do this one more time. Okay, so there's a breakout, pullback, and that creates a channel phase. And then within this is a fractal market reset. There's a range, breakout. We're waiting for that first pull bar to start the channel. And this whole price structure will be the price structure that is like the reversal. So it's fractal market cycle because it resets here, but it resets here for the bears being a fresh breakout. But then it's also the end of the bullish market cycle because now we're range. So they're intertwined. Pretty cool stuff. We're coming up on 10 minutes here. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Thank you for the comments. I appreciate it. I'm lagging on these books. I'm going to try and drop chapter 9 this week or next week, but it's been kind of busy. And then next month, I got a better work schedule. I can get way more back in flow. I feel like I've been neglecting YouTube. I've been working funny shifts. But yeah, only one more week. Hope you guys have been doing good. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thank you for subbing and always leaving comments. I appreciate it. Bye.